What's up, kitty? Hmm? Sunshine? How's it going, Sunshine? Hello? How are you this morning? And there's this cute little one. Morning. How are you doing? Yeah. These guys are hungry, but I don't have food, guys. I gotta go get food. You still have some of that other food you don't like sitting over there, too. I gave them some of this, like, healthy food that I found, and
Which one took it?
oh my god, they didn't want it. They were just like, no, you know, we're used to the meow mix, thank you. We prefer meow mix. And I'm like, beggars can't be choosers, guys. Sorry, but they're like, we can. I mean, it's hilarious, kind of, you know. And last night I came out here and there was like nobody here. So I guess they figured I wasn't coming, but then I did. Huh? Any little kittens? No. There's that one that looks like it got messed up somehow.
Is that a,
But it'll be okay, I think. No, that's an orange one. Oh, I heard that clunk on the head. Wow. You guys are wild. Stripey, did you win that match? They make me laugh because they're just, I mean, you guys are hilarious, I say. You're just hilarious. Oh no, don't hurt each other. You crazy kitties. Kitty. Hi, you. Hi. Hi. Morning. Morning, guys. I make TikTok videos with them because everybody loves the cat ones. Everybody loves the kitty videos. Yes, you guys are the stars. Stars of the show. Yeah. Yeah, people give you money just for making videos of cats. It's kind of crazy. You guys are the cutest. Well, guys, I am gonna feed you more later, and I will go get the meow mix because I know you don't like that healthy stuff. I promise I'll get it, but I'm not gonna feed you till later because you gotta go clean up what's left over there. We can't just be wasting food. Alright guys, guard the laundry.